Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say small or little in French. How do you go about pronouncing this word? In France, we say it as petit, with a silent T at the end, petit. This is the masculine form of the word, and it is said petit. The feminine form, with an E at the end, would be said as petite, petite. So you pronounce the T only if it's the feminine form and there's an E at the end. If there's no E at the end, it's simply said as petit, petit. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more French words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.